Have you ever met someone and within seconds, you just knew whether you liked them or not? Maybe it was their smile, their posture, the way they spoke. Here's the crazy part. That snap judgment you made, it wasn't a choice. It was your brain, making lightning-fast decisions before you even realized it. Science says that people form an impression of you within just 7 seconds of meeting you. 7 seconds. That's all it takes. And once that impression is set, it's almost impossible to change. So, why does this happen? Why do our brains judge people so fast? The answer lies in psychology, evolution, and human behavior. Your brain is an information processing machine. But here's the thing, it can't analyze everything at once. So instead, it takes shortcuts. It scans for key details, face, body language, tone of voice, and instantly decides safe or dangerous, trustworthy or suspicious. This is called thin slicing, a concept studied by Malcolm Gladwell in his book Blink. He found that people can make incredibly accurate judgments based on just a glimpse of information. The scary part? Most of these judgments happen on a subconscious level. Like it or not, your looks play a role in how people judge you. Your clothing, hairstyle, posture, they all send signals to the brain. Imagine two people walk into a room. One is dressed in a sharp suit, walking with confidence. The other is wearing wrinkled clothes, looking uncertain. Who would you trust more? That instant judgment is called the halo effect, a bias where our brain assumes that if someone looks successful, they are successful. Have you ever met someone who just felt unapproachable? Maybe they were frowning, maybe their body language was closed off. Facial expressions can literally change how people see you. A study from Princeton University found that people judge trustworthiness based on facial expressions within 100 milliseconds. A genuine smile, it makes you seem warm and likable. A neutral face, it can be misread as cold or unfriendly. A frown instantly signals negativity. It's not just what you say, it's how you say it. Your tone, speed, and confidence all shape how people perceive you. Think about it. Have you ever heard someone speak in a shaky, uncertain tone? It makes you doubt them. But when someone speaks clearly and confidently, you instantly trust them more. Here's the harsh truth. Once someone makes a judgment about you, they rarely change it. This is called the primacy effect, where the first information we receive about someone sticks in our mind. That's why first impressions matter more than anything else. So now that you know why first impressions are so powerful, how do you use this to your advantage? Before you say a single word, your body language speaks for you. Stand tall, make eye contact, own your space. Confidence isn't just about how you feel, it's about how you're perceived. You don't have to wear a suit every day, but dress like someone who takes themselves seriously. Because whether we like it or not, appearance matters. Slow down, enunciate. Use pauses to create impact. The way you speak determines how people listen to you. Own your words, and people will respect them. In life, you don't always get a second chance. People will judge you, whether you like it or not. But here's the good news. You control the first impression you make. So, how do people see you? And more importantly, how do you want them to?